Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you on how to do another different task. Okay, this is another different task. I'm going to teach you how to do it on time box. Okay, so you click on here tasks, then after click on tasks, wait for it to load like that. Okay, I will already shown you how to do different tasks. Let me show you how to do another different task from A to Z. Okay, you scroll like that, so you come down here. These are tasks you're supposed to do. So today I'm going to teach you how to do this first task here. As you can see here, this first task here. This first here say just watch 1 minute of the video. Okay, so you click view here. After click on view there, okay, scroll like that. Then they say let's click on start the campaign. That's how to do. Then they say instructor advertiser instructions say go to the link, click on the video with this thumbnail, watch at least a minute of the video, start for ads required. Would appreciate if you like as well. Note, please do not cheat. I can see the results from the start ads. To find this start ad on desktop, okay, so this is the how to find the start ads on the desktop. So I've already done a video on my YouTube channel how to get the start ads, how to play a video with the start ads. Okay, so today I'm going to do this one. This one is a different one. Okay, I've just done a video on how you can find start ads. This is another video I'm going to teach you how to do with the start ads. Okay, then the proof instructions say start ads for screen. Okay, start for ads screenshot. It means after you are watching a video for 1 minute, as you have been asked here, at least a minute. Okay, then you take a screenshot. Then after taking a screenshot, you're going to click on browse image and submit a screenshot for approval, and you are done with the task. Okay, so let's begin. First, we need to get the video. So we are going to the instruction number 2. Click on the video with this thumbnail. You want to see which type of video is that exactly they want us to see. The moment you click on this link like this, it will show you the thumbnail of the video. You're supposed to search from YouTube. Okay, so let's click on that. Let's wait for it to load upon. I think there is a problem opening the it's open now, guys. So you see, this is the video you're supposed to find on YouTube. Okay, it's called hosting a coupon 90% off. Okay, offer. So you are supposed to find a video of this. The video that will look like this. The thumbnail of the video looks like this exactly from YouTube. Is what you're supposed to find. Watch the video for 1 minute. After watching the video for 1 minute, then take a screenshot of the video watched 1 minute with the start ads. Then you submit for approval. That's what you're supposed to do. Then you're done. Okay, so let's go back and I'll search for the video. Okay, see the video say hosting a coupon code. Okay, that is it. So let's go back now. So let's click the link, the first instruction now. Click on the first instruction now. It will take us to the YouTube where we can find videos. Then we are supposed to search for that exact video that we have already seen the thumbnail. Okay, this is how YouTube is loading. So you see the video already is number 1. The first video is the one. So we click on the video. Okay, after click on the video, wait for the video to...
Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you the best coupon code for Hostinger in 2026. So what you want to do is you want to click on the link down below in the description, and that link is going to have the discount coupon already embedded, so you don't have to input the code yourself. You just click on the link, it will take you to the official Hostinger website and it will apply the discount for you. If you purchase any service right here inside of the official Hostinger website, you'll be able to basically get this discount applied instantly on checkout. So if you go, for example, and purchase any hosting plan, let's go with the Cloud Startup, for example, it will take us to the cart or checkout page, and the discount is going to be automatically applied. You're going to get 20% off any service you purchase. So if you'd like to get the discount, just click the link down below in the description. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys.
So you see the video is already 1 minute like that. So this is what the instructor wanted us to do. Okay, so now we want to take the screenshot of the video. Okay, now I want to take the screenshot of the video. This is the video. Now we're supposed to take the screenshot of this video and upload it. Okay, so we take the screenshot now. Then we edit our screenshot like this. Then You're only supposed to upload the video, to upload the screenshot. Don't add any other thing like that. Then done. After done like that, then we go back to our website Timebox to upload this photo. Okay, so our Timebox is here. We click on here browse image. After click on browse image, wait for it to load, then you click browse on your gallery. After clicking browse on your gallery, then you click on that one. That's the first image. Yeah, it is there. So you see, this is the video watched 1 minute. This is the start nuts. You can see start nuts, those words you can see. So the task is complete now. So you need to click here submit for approval like that. Okay. Yeah, so you see your proof has been successfully submitted for approval. Your pending points have increased. Okay, click on OK like that to refresh the page. Okay, and you are done like that, guys. That's how to do it. Okay, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notification bell for more videos. Then another thing, if you have not yet registered to the Timebox account, I'm going to leave a link on the description of this video for you to register. Remember to register with Google, please. It is recommended to register with Google, and the moment you register with Google, you'll get 500 bonus immediately. And the withdrawal limit nowadays is only $3. Once you have $3, it can be withdrawn. Okay, I've done all the videos in my YouTube channel to show you how to withdraw. Okay, and the payment method they support. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.